Alright, so we are all packed up. We just got to put this fire out and then make sure we haven't left any rubbish behind, and then we're good to go. We're going to go just downstream, catch a fish that we missed yesterday before we start heading upstream. So we'll probably leave these packs here.
Oh yeah.
Go down there, catch that. Yeah, it's going to be good. It's going to be good.
Hey Gareth.
Yeah?
Let's go fishing.
Well, he said. Alright, so there's a fish just in front of that rock.
Good?
Yep, he's just moved left to that white rock now. Ooh, you landed it right on him.
It's not going well.
He's coming towards it though, he got it.
I didn't really deserve that. Another skinny.
Better, but
Well, similar.
I'd say much better.
Got some shoulders on him still.
What a powerboat.
Meh. So big head, cool. Look at the nose, cool shape on his nose. Gonna get him straight back because he's
Bit skinny?
had better days.
Good. Alright, so I'm just gonna do my best to pop this fly in front of... Well, your fish still ate.
Yep.
It's quite nice. Yeah. Better condition, I think. Whoa! Shit!
Yep.
Oh. Yeah, it's better.
Good fish.
Still a little bit on the
Skinny, yeah. Oh no, that's
no, he's no, but you know, like how the biggest rainbow jack of the day. You can still see he's a little bit beat up late in the season. He's working hard to survive up here, but great fish.
Yeah, man.
All right, see you, buddy. Hopefully you can get out of here. Freaking oats, you can.
You get through my legs.
Yeah.
Wow.
Sick. Look at this sweet ass tree that we're just currently sat under. Have you appreciated that tree?
I actually appreciated it as we were walking up.
That's very cool. Anyway, initially we spotted one fish out here,
Well, I can't see
and now we've spotted another one further up. The lead fish, the one further up, looks like it's bigger and longer, but I reckon it might be another one of those skinny ones. But over, yeah, look at him. He's healthy.
I'll give him a go. I'm going to go to the back one anyway. Otherwise,
Yeah,
I'll risk
I mean-
spooking him to try and catch him.
Yeah. So two fish. I doubt we can catch both of them. They're a little bit too close together. So it's just, we'll see what happens. Alex, is you dry dropping? You are.
Yeah.
So we've got that little stimulator pad and then down to, is that a York on there?
Yeah. Now he's just right in front of us here.
Do you reckon he looks healthy? He's got that real nice solid red stripe. That one's dark all over.
Yeah. Well, I'm going to go for this one at the back just because.
Yeah, I think you have to. Alright, so fish is like right here.
Pretty much right in front of me. Opposite
He's probably going to slowly cruise back up. He just ate something.
Yeah.
It's pretty good. It's a little left. Sorry, right.
I think he'll come find it.
Yeah, it looks good.
Here he
He's
comes.
coming over. Oh, what are you doing?
Oh, I thought I saw his mouth.
You did not see his mouth go.
Oh, no, I didn't. As soon as I did it, I was like, oh, fuck that.
He didn't spook or nothing. That must have been right in front of his face. All right, so Alex just, I don't know what happened. What did happen? He thought he saw the mouth go, but the mouth clearly didn't go.
I think what it was, I was too confident.
Did
that
it
was
tick
all
on the
going down.
bottom?
No. I think I was confident he was moving across. I was like, here we go, and then I
Yeah,
just
so
struck.
essentially he just pulled the fly out from like, probably within, I'd say that fly was within 6 inches of his mouth, and Alex decided he didn't want to leave it there anymore.
Nah.
But the next cast up, he potentially looked at again. So I don't think he's spooked. we rest him during a fly change, feed it to him again, there's still a reasonable chance he's going to eat it.
Ready?
Here we go.
So if you get, he's moving left right now, so you're going to have to go blonde sand.
This will get to him. It's a little bit right, but he'll find it.
He's coming
Here we
slowly.
go, here we go.
He's not. Yep,
Got him.
he chewed on that too. If you can
I-
keep him down here, that'd be great.
Yep. I actually delayed a little bit more just because of my previous faux pas.
Yeah.
I'm going to try and keep him down this end of the pool because we've got at least one more fish.
There's two others. Looks pretty good from up here. How do you reckon?
Sounds alright. Definitely better than that last fish I caught.
Nice one, bro.
Sweet. Well, a little bit slow off the mark, but we got it going.
This
Look
guy.
at this guy. It's actually a nice big shouldery fish.
Yeah, it's great.
Alright, buddy. See you.
And what fly did you change to?
Just a gun metal hair and copper.
Beauty. I wasn't recording. I was only recording the floor with this one.
He's now right in front of you.
I can't get it over there.
He's right in front of you. No, he's right in front of you.
Right here. Yeah, I can't
Right
get.
side.
I can't get it over there.
Oh no! That's still a good fish.
Yeah, it's not the guy.
And the other guy's got.
Damn it! But it's a nice fish. But I got to see both of these fish, and they're not that. The other one's not that much bigger than this.
7 pounds.
You could get that actually.
Oh, okay then. Seeing as I'm in the river.
Well, you can down there. It's like you wanted to do it or something.
I can't tell. It's alright. I didn't film something. I filmed that bank over there.
Nice hen. Fish of the day for me.
Fish of the day all round.
I say he's only 4.5 pound though.
Nice fish.
Yeah. Cool. Happy. Sorry about the foggy GoPro, guys. Oh, that was very subtle, wasn't it?
All right, so we've covered a bit of water without too much happening. We've seen a few fish, but it hasn't really, come together. Anyway, we've found another one. We're actually behind schedule now. We've been going too slow. We just realised that it's nearly 1 o'clock and we've still got a long way to go. So there's a nice fish down here. Hopefully we can catch him. Or down in here. Hopefully we can catch this guy. He's left the bubble line.
Right, yeah.
Can you see him?
Yeah.
Beauty.
Coming over.
Yep. Oh, that looks big.
At last.
It looks really big.
Wow, they're so fast. Can't do things with him. Come on.
Oh, yeah, bro.
Oh, yeah. Fish of the day for me. Oh, wow. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
You know something. I can hear him like chewing.
Yeah. Trying to breathe.
All right.
Ready?
Yep.
It's upside down. It doesn't really matter, I suppose.
Yeah, you flip it because I'll put it under the water.
Nice. Stoked.
Good fish.
Let's get him back.
Oh, wait, my foot's stuck.
Ooh. Ready?
Yeah.
Don't do that one. Wicked. Cool.
Good.
Cool.
Is there a dropper on there?
It was.
Oh, yeah.
Hang on a second.
Oh, no.
Fucking
Oh, come off.
It's all good.
All right,
How it goes?
I'll put this in here. I should be able to get one of these 3 fish.
I reckon. It's a good chance
Surely.
one of them will be eaten.
Oh, why did I put it all the way over there?
Big,
It's coming.
oh, that's a good fish. Yeah, that's bigger.
Oh, I hate when I do that.
What?
Oh, you slip line and it jumps 6 feet up in the air.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice looking fish.
Yeah, no,
One of the thicker ones we've had
yeah,
for a while.
it's a big fish.
Dude. It's putting up a good scrap.
Yes, big and strong.
Please don't go too far down there. Oh, cheer, bro.
Beautiful fish.
Is it a chunk?
Yes.
All right, so there's a nice little fish. One of the better conditioned fish that has come from the second day, or getting up this high in the river. It's a bit dark, but he actually looks really dark in the camera. But he's a nice fish. Very nice jack. All right.
Forgot I had my pack on.
All right. See you, buddy. Coldness. That water's coldness.
It's decent from here.
Yeah.
Alright, I can see a fish. Saw it eat. What the fuck was that?
All right. We are severely running out of time. We've got an hour before we should be walking back, but we're not even at the lunch spot, which is like halfway. And yeah, so we're seriously running out of time. We're only going to fish to like sighted fish now that we, you know, that look like very catchable. Just in the interest of time, we're going to have to walk past heaps of fish to do this properly. There's really nice fish looking, fish down here. See if Alex can catch him. Looks good. Beauty. It's coming. It's coming. Yep. Oh, that looks huge. I keep saying that every time though.
Whoa. Did a 360 around that rock. Nice jack. Cool spot.
Just did a tail store.
Hey?
Just did a tail slide.
Yeah. Cool.
Cool fish.
Wicked.
That's awesome. That's actually a really nice one.
Yeah.
Really pretty.
Really cool spots.
Yeah. You got you.
Got everyone.
Cool. All right, we're gonna hightail it a lot from here. Otherwise, we're gonna be very late out. Oh, this guy's coming.
Guy. Oh, yum nom nom nom.
I was watching the dry because I thought that's what he was going to eat.
Dry, yeah. You see how close the nymph was to the dry?
Yeah.
Like as far as it hadn't sunk much at all.
There's 3 fish right below me.
Yeah, that's right. That might be that brown.
Getting out of the way.
There you go. Coming over.
Nah.
Oh, yes.
Shit, where was he?
Eating your flock.
What the frick? I was watching 2 other fish.
That's all right.
Oh, he just swam straight into the floor.
Oh, fuck. I want to take my pack off.
Me neither. I'll jump down there.
Oh, you're both going to have to go.
It's really strong.
Yeah, that's a good fish, eh? Oh, it is a good fish.
I don't like him turned that way.
Oh, no.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to film.
Ah, great fish actually. This is probably my fish for the day. And I'm going to end on it.
Nice.
Beautiful. Really nice hen. See you later, girlfriend.